everyone, hope you have an amazing day today. Welcome to my spiritual testing channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos at all. So, let's dive into our topic. Smaller than VY Scooty, we have VY Canis Majoris. This star is 1620 times larger than our Sun, and this star is extremely rich in oxygen. It takes 8 hours to produce light towards the universe. So, smaller than VY Canis Majoris, we have RW Cephei, located in the Cephei constellation. And this star is 1535 times larger than our Sun. Smaller than RW Cephei, we have V354 Cephei, also located in the Cephei constellation, but it is 9,000 light years away from the Earth. V354 Cephei is 1520 times larger than our Sun. Smaller than V354 Cephei, we have VY Cygni. It is 1420 to 2850 times larger than our Sun. VY Cygni belongs to a spectral class M3.5 LA. Smaller than VY Cygni, we have Mu Cephei. This star is 1260 times larger than our Sun. Smaller than Mu Cephei, VY Canis. It is only 1050 times larger than our Sun. Smaller than VY Canis, we have Betelgeuse, located in the Orion constellation. This constellation is 643 light years away from the Earth. Betelgeuse is only 950 times larger than our Sun. Smaller than Betelgeuse, we have Arcturus. This monster is only 700 times larger than our Sun. Smaller than Arcturus, we have Arcturus, only 25 times larger than our Sun. And even smaller than Arcturus, too much small, very too much triple small is Sun. Our Sun is known as aka a yellow dwarf star, and our Sun is called a main sequence star. Smaller than our Sun, we have red dwarf star. These are the real smallest stars. Red dwarf stars are very small and burn their fossil fuels very slowly inside their core. The closest red dwarf star to Earth is known as the Barnard stars. It is very close to Earth. Smaller than red dwarf, we have white dwarf. White dwarfs are known as a dead stars. When our Sun exploded, our Sun will also become white dwarf, and our Earth orbit white dwarf. Smaller than white dwarf, we have a very tiny little star, that is the neutron star. These are blue. We know about the neutron star NGC 5907 ULX1 neutron star, the largest neutron star, the farthest neutron star from Earth. Neutron stars are made from neutrons, photons. Neutron stars are very tiny and they spin so fast, and they can send electrical signals. Neutron stars are very tiny, just a little bit larger than our moon, and fits to Los Angeles to Washington DC. These stars are very tiny, very too much small, and these are the tiniest small in our universe. So stay tuned to find out in our next episode.